Did you know that the breathtaking light shows we call auroras are actually caused by the sun attacking Earth? Well, sort of. When solar winds packed with charged particles slam into our planet's magnetic shield, they get funneled toward the poles, where they collide with gases in our atmosphere about 60 to 200 miles above the surface. These cosmic collisions make the air glow in spectacular curtains of green, pink, red, and purple light. Here's something even cooler. Earth isn't the only planet with auroras. Jupiter, Saturn, and even some moons in our solar system put on their own light shows. And get this, the name Aurora Borealis comes from Aurora, the Roman goddess of dawn, and Boreas, the Greek god of the north wind. It's like the ancients knew these lights were something divine. The best part? These dancing lights are visible almost every night near the Arctic and Antarctic circles, painting the sky with nature's most magical art show. Pretty amazing what happens when Earth and the sun interact, right?